Hi friends, it's Teacher Hillary and I'm here to read a book to you. It is Birds and Other Animals with Pablo Picasso, because we are going to do the Pablo Picasso inspired messy play after this. Now, these animals are drawn by Pablo Picasso. Let's pay special attention to the line in this book. A line is what you see to create these animals. Okay, let's check it out. Birds. See how Picasso uses curved lines to show the birds? More birds. My friend Weefy joined us for the story. Flamingos are birds who stand on one foot. Do you see any curved lines in this picture? A curved line is a line that isn't straight, like the beak of the flamingo. Penguins are birds who waddle over the snow. Have you ever seen a penguin at the zoo? Cock-a-doodle-doo, roosters are birds too. Wow, look at the line for this rooster. It's got all these circles and curly cues. That is really incredible. Some birds fly, and flies fly too. Can you point to the birds? Can you point to the flies? Wasps also fly, but grasshoppers prefer to hop. Where are the wasps? Where are the grasshoppers? Bunnies hop, especially to get away from hungry foxes. Look at these bunnies. Do you see the line? How it curls around and curves to make the foot of the rabbit, the tail, and then makes a loop for the ear and the head. Does this fox look hungry to you? Does this fox look hungry to you? Does this squirrel look hungry? Maybe he does look a little hungry. This camel looks hungry because her humps are small. When she eats, her humps will grow. Or maybe she's dehydrated. Do you think this camel's hungry or needs to drink water? This little dog has no humps. He's long, like a hot dog. Have you ever seen a dog that's long like a hot dog? And we'll look at the line. It's just one line. Curls around, makes the tail, makes his back legs, and then goes forward to make his front leg. It's incredible. And this big dog does tricks. Sit, boy, sit. Good dog. Wow, this dog is made with lots of curved, curly lines. Horses can learn tricks too. One leg up. Have you ever seen a horse put one leg up? Can you stand on one leg? Two legs up. Do you know what's going on in this picture? Let's follow the line. The line starts here and it goes all the way around to then go to the horse, and it goes through to the horse's mane, then to his back, and then to his hind leg, and then it loops around and goes to his front, and then that's where it ends. And then we have the whip from the trainer. It then goes to create the man. Just two lines to create this whole picture with lots of curls. Fish, on the other hand, don't have legs at all. They swim. Turtles swim too. Pelicans are birds who swim. Ostriches are birds who run. Is this a bird? Yes, he's a peacock. Look at those tail feathers. Look at this line. Up and around. And then a sharp back. Ooh, ooh. Owls are birds too. Here's an owl. Beautiful birds. With beautiful lines. Okay, that is the end of Birds and Other Animals with Pablo Picasso, where we got to look at Picasso's incredible line work. And here in the back of the book are the pictures of the original images which were used for this book, so you can see Picasso's line work. He made lots of animals. Okay, I hope you enjoyed reading that story with me and learning about Picasso's use of line. Now we are going to try using line for our messy play.